Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Today's video, guys, as you can see, the weather looks amazing. Yeah, it has been 2 months without rains, and guys, God has remembered us. The rains are here with us, and we are truly grateful to our God. Guys, here goes my bodyguard. Yeah, guys. Guys, we are trapped at work. We can't go home. We can't go home. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so windy. Very beautiful. Guys, it's so windy. Oh my God, this is serious, guys. What? Look at this. So we're here waiting for the rains to stop. Then the home. I'm waiting. Guys, we are trapped at work. Today's weather is so bad. Extremely bad. We are going home and it's flooded everywhere. It's flooded. Good Lord. Mama. Good Lord. Tupite hapo. Guys. Good Lord.
Maji mavi sana.